Absolutely gorgeous little machine here. Look at this thing. Wow, what a boy, eh? He's living his youth again, man. That's nice. Wow. My old man, he wants to get himself like a bug-eyed Sprite. You know, I'm like, maybe that's what I should do. When I'm done with this, I'll sell this, right? Take the money, get another, just an MT-10 basic, right? And then take the rest of the money and go get himself like a little, you can get them fairly inexpensive, right? And get like a little bug-eyed Sprite instead of a boat, right? There you go. Go out with a bang, man. Go out with a bang. Oh, that's cool. She's loud. No, it's fine. Oh, they're so nice. I like Bowmanville. If I could move out somewhere, I'd like to go to Belleville. I think Belleville, you know, it's more of a happening place, a little bit younger, vibrant, but still far away and away from GTA, and easy get to like all the lakes for fishing. So, you know, do you see Sage? So Sage last year went out with a bang. He got himself the pike, was the last fish of the year last year. This year, the first fish of the year is a freaking pike. I'm like, are you kidding me? It was funny because we're on the dock just fishing, right? We're shore fishing, and the guy was out on his he had a little fishing boat, just a handheld, a small one, like Phil's, like John's, like Phil's, just a 10-foot, right? And he was out there, and he was out there for some time, and he come back, and he's new of the area, and he was asking us, oh, like what kind of fish are here, right? He says, well, have you caught anything? I said, no, we just got here. I said, we're just messing around. We see some, but we haven't. He goes, well, what kind of fish are there, right? And I'm like, for the most part, it's perch and some bass. And he's like, oh, there's some bass. I'm like, yeah. And then there's some pike and stuff like that. And then he's looking at me like as if I'm like, come on, right? No, there's no pike, right? And at the instant, he was kind of like questioning me or doubting my words. Here, actually, let's go down here. Sorry. He's like looking at me like, yeah, bullshit, right, kind of thing. And Sage is like, oh, fish on. And he's like, oh shit, I got a pike. And the guy's mouth just dropped, and he looked at me like, oh, like, you guys are not fucking with me, right? You know, it's one of those typical things where people are like, you know, oh, I caught a fish this big, right? And it's just like, and oh yeah, they're huge fish in here, right? And they're like, yeah, okay, right, whatever, right? So, but then he's kind of like, oh wow, he did get the fish, right? So, and then he didn't even wait to see it pull it. He's seen it because he's seen it fighting right at the shore and trying to come out, and it's splashing around, and he's reeling it in, right? And he's just like, probably in his head like, screw you, right? And and he just took off. And I'm like, oh wow, okay, whatever, right? Yeah, just over there at the corner up, there's a, hopefully, it's where I took the last time I took the my original MT-10, and I went to put it in the gravel and put it right at the edge of the water, and like, this is gonna be such a beautiful picture, and I sunk the thing in the gravel. Like, I'm like, oh shit, how am I gonna get out of this, right? Because I just try to take off and it would go bleh. It would just so I'm like, uh-oh, that's not smart. Oh, there's a dog there and a person. So yeah, I just want to go take a look. Yeah, get some nice picture. Oh yeah, because we came here with the Dyers and stuff like that. With the two boys are. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to turn my bike around actually. Yeah, that's okay, stay there. Oh, I was gonna say, stay there. It'll be a nice picture right there. Yeah, yeah. But you could always just change just a slip-on now, though, right? I could, yeah. So you could always get something a little bit more decent. A little bigger, maybe. Keep that there. Just a little bit. That's got a little bit more. I don't know. Yeah, because even the Yoshimura would come up to here, right? So. Which, yeah, as long as you check the diameter and you swap it out, right? Yeah, totally. Totally doable. It allows you to play around enough before you even have to come to a point where you have to spend out like $1,000 on a real exhaust, right? Okay. No, not worth it. Oh, this is the first time you're using the Senna 20, right? Oh, yes. Was it already on? Did you have it on? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, I didn't have mine on. I'm like, come on, John. There we go. All right. Sorry about that. Yeah, so either we can do Olympus, or we could just find a regular little restaurant, or we can go and do like go into A&W and have their breakfast there. Breakfast? Yeah. Okay. So breakfast at A&W. I don't know if you ever had breakfast at A&W, but there's actually not bad. So we just got to watch those idiots, because they're probably going to go and turn around and then come back through again, right? So if they haven't gotten stopped by a cop or anything. A little bit of dirt on the road. Yeah, right. It's hard not to. It's just like, hey, peace. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this guy's finally... Okay, we got to turn right here, right after this curve. So have you ever snapped it up on a wheelie on a fast takeoff? Or you have traction control number 2? It will still allow lift. It won't allow wheel spin. That's all. Yeah. So traction control 1 is nothing. Traction control 2, it will allow lift but not wheel spin. Traction control 3. It's all balls out, right? Or off, right? I can't remember how many there was one is no wheel lift, no spin. Yeah, so off is all balls out. Number 1, it won't allow spin or lift. And then number 2 will allow lift, just no wheel spin. So if you get into gravel and you hit the gas it will slow right down, right? So yeah, but it will still do a lift. And what about your power mode? You're on what? A, B? Oh, you're on standard. Okay, so yeah, so if you hit the gas on one, you'll definitely go up. Yeah. That's right. Just gotta cancel the GPS, otherwise it's gonna yell at me. Right? So is that what we're doing? Yeah, we're gonna jump on the highway? Alright. I'm gonna limit myself to the 120 anyways, right though? But if you want to go faster, you can go faster. You can, so, alright. Until the raindrop hits. Alright. Right? Ah. Right? Yeah, yeah. This way I think we'll be fine. Yes, I know, I know. Mike is like, that's not fair. All right. Oh, it didn't take long to get up to that speed, that's for sure, right? So, all right, I'm gonna sign out. So anyways, thank you guys for all tuning in on this little journey ride there. We had a lot of fun, just John and myself, but we've got a lot more to come. And anyways, until next time, y'all be good, be safe, have fun. Don't forget, keep it covered. All right. Woo-hoo. Okay, I'm gonna go around you. Frickin' rain. Well, at least now you get the traction control. Yeah, move over. You're over. You get in front of these guys. And this is where they all look at you and they'll laugh. Ha ha ha, you motorcycler. Ha ha ha. Right? This almost looks like a pull section. A stop pull section. Yeah. Just watch the painted lines, right? They're slippery as frick. So once we pass that, it's all balls out, baby. No popos, no popos. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hooligan!